and again.
5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. An underground nuclear explosion becomes a crater, the builder of an artificial reservoir. Within a few seconds, the explosion ejected 6 million cubic meters of soil from the Earth's depths. A huge crater was formed, the bed of a future lake. All that remained was to dig a canal and fill the crater with floodwaters. And they came. Before the people's very eyes, a huge artificial lake was being born. After 3 days, there were already over 3 million cubic meters of water in the crater. And it kept on rising. And so, the lake was born. Soon, hydrologists and medics determined that the lake's water was completely safe in terms of radiation and perfectly suitable for irrigating fields. And man has nothing to fear here. The radiation level does not exceed the natural background, as if a nuclear explosion had never happened here and the lake had been formed by natural means. Although from an engineering perspective, the task of creating the crater was accomplished, the project proved to be an environmental disaster. The explosion failed to contain all of the fission product underground, and a significant portion of radioactive material was released into the atmosphere, subsequently settling on the surrounding area. The water in Lake Chagrin and the Chagrin River was heavily contaminated with radioactive isotopes such as cesium-137 and strontium-90. Despite this, in the initial years, the authorities attempted to demonstrate the lake's safety, and there is famous footage of Minister Yefim Slavsky personally swimming in it.